Natural, simple ways to treat eczema. Hello, this is Lexi. Welcome to my channel, which is all about health and well-being. If you're here for the first time, welcome. This video covers some natural ways to treat eczema. If you suffer from eczema, you may initially choose expensive over-the-counter products or consult with your GP for a prescription. Although these products work, do not discount natural ways to treat eczema. Fortunately, there are many natural remedies that are proven to treat eczema. Here are some outlined. Proper bathing and showering helps to treat eczema and also prevent further outbreaks. Make sure you have short showers or baths. Keep the water lukewarm with no bath bubbles. Limit your use of scented shampoos, conditioners and soap. Use natural or organic products instead. Apply moisturisers and creams immediately after a bath or shower to lock in the moisture. The good news is you can take longer baths and showers if you use oatmeal because of its calming effect on the skin. What's great is that oatmeal bath products are often available at most department stores and drugstores, but it's also easy to make your own mixture by using the oatmeal sold in supermarkets. Simply add 2 or 3 cups to a bathtub filled with lukewarm water. Another simple tip is to drink lots of water, which will make eczema easier to manage. Make sure you eat healthy foods, but also keep an eye on which of these foods, if any, cause an outbreak of eczema. For example, fruits help prevent aging, but seeded fruits can often cause a flare-up of eczema. You should keep a daily record of your food and drink consumption and note which foods and/or drinks cause an outbreak. Then you can adjust your eating habits. All natural supplements have often helped to treat eczema. Effective natural supplements include fish oil, vitamin E and vitamin C. Gradually introduce each of these supplements into your diet and note which ones work and which do not. Supplements are readily available in pharmacies, however, most are found naturally in foods too. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please give it a like and feel free to comment, and please subscribe to my channel for more informative videos on health and well-being. Also, be sure to click the link in the description below to claim your free bonus. Thanks again. Bye for now.